name is Amelia.
And my name is Kirk, and we breed rare and traditional breed chickens on our farm in Lymm, Cheshire.
Hatching chicks never gets old. We've been hatching since I was a little girl, and there's nothing that beats waiting so patiently for 21 days and then hearing the first chirps of the chicks pipping through the shells.
I think it is important to champion the rare and traditional breeds, as they're all part of our rich heritage. To lose the genetics of these birds would be a tragedy. It is something that we can make a difference by doing, and I find that very rewarding. I love to see the diversity of the birds, both in looks and character, and all the different colours of eggs.
We use all the surplus eggs, the funny shaped ones and the ones that are too big to fit in our egg boxes, and we bake with them. We make blondies, brownies and cookies. We also hand make chocolates, sometimes even using our raw honey, which we sell from our self-service vending machine in our shepherd's hut.
We're very lucky to be able to work outside so much and so closely with nature, walk in the fields with the dogs, collecting eggs, tending to our hives and moving the chickens' runs is really beneficial for our physical health.
There are so many positives about working with family. You know you can always rely on each other to help whenever it's needed, and it's always nice just to spend time together. We've always been a close family, so it's just a bonus that we get to see each other every day.
Apart from the differences in colour of the shells, the most important difference about our eggs is the taste. Our chicks are reared on pasture from about 3 to 4 weeks old. Rearing them on grass from such a young age makes the hens stronger and builds a natural immune system. The hens are housed on the pasture, allowing them to enjoy their natural behaviour and to eat all the goodies they find. We even have cockles in the laying flock, as we feel that this is a more natural environment, allowing the hens to feel more protected when foraging.